Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change graphics settings in T3 Arena. If you want to improve performance, reduce lags or enjoy smoother visuals on your device, first of all launch open T3 Arena on your device and log into your account if you aren't already. Once you're inside this home page, click on the menu button at the top right corner. From the expanded menu, click on Options. Under Options, you will see the Controls tab, Graphics, Audio or Account options. Click on Graphics from the left. Under Graphics Quality, you can select between Basic, Normal, High or Ultra. Choose settings based on your device performance. If you have high-end devices, you can select Ultra or Super High option and click on Confirm. If you are using mid-ranges devices, go to High or Normal. If you have low-end devices, choose the Basic option. That way you can choose the settings based on your device's performance. Once done, you can then get back to the home page and start the game. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.